From security essentials to ultimate comfort solutions, we've handpicked the top gadgets to enhance your travel experience. Whether you're jet-setting around the world or embarking on a weekend getaway, these gadgets are sure to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. So buckle up and join us as we explore the must-have travel gadgets for the modern adventurer. Let's get started with the Addalock Portable Door Lock. One thing that you should always keep an eye on when traveling is your safety. If you want to give yourself an added level of protection when traveling, then the Addalock Portable Door Lock is something you'll want to check out. This simple one-piece device allows you to reinforce the lock on any door or to provide a lock when a door doesn't have one. You can sleep a lot more confidently with the added security for just $18. What's more, this door lock security device installs in seconds with no tools required. You can't put a price on safety, which is why this travel door lock is again on our list of essential travel accessories for 2024. Now that the door is secure, let's try to catch some sleep. Up next is the Music Aussie Sleep Headphones. Experience ultimate comfort with the Music Aussie Sleep Headphones. With its built-in 5.2 Bluetooth speakers, the headphones, or let's say eye mask, allows users to enjoy their favorite music, podcasts, or white noise without the hassle of tangled wires. The soft and adjustable fabric ensures a snug fit, blocking out any light that may disrupt sleep. The Bluetooth eye mask offers an innovative solution for relaxation and uninterrupted sleep, whether at home, while traveling, or in noisy environments. Its connectivity with various devices makes it a versatile accessory for individuals seeking a restful and personalized sleep environment. With a 1 to 2 hour quick charge, you can enjoy 14 hours of playing. The price is $23.99 on Amazon. 3-in-1 Apple Travel Charging Station. For those who travel with many electronics, maintaining a full charge can be a daunting task. Alongside a suit of camera gear, travelers often carry an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and Apple AirPods. While technology enhances the travel experience, keeping all these devices charged on the go is a challenge. This is where the 3-in-1 Apple Travel Charging Station comes to the rescue. This device allows you to plug a single charger into an international travel adapter power strip and efficiently charge all Apple devices at the same time. This means no more juggling multiple chargers or waiting to switch devices. Additionally, the 3-in-1 charging station folds into a compact position, making it easy to pack and carry. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up so other travelers can discover it. Now, let's continue with the Zopin RFID Travel Passport and Documents Wallet. There is nothing more important when traveling than keeping your travel documents safe and organized. Without documents such as your passport, immunization record, credit cards, and driver's license, your trip can quickly turn into a disaster. However, in today's digital age, it isn't enough to just keep your documents secure physically. They should also be secured from identity theft as well. With RF scanning devices, your information can get stolen from you without ever leaving your hands. This is why you should get this RF scanning proof passport and document wallet when traveling. The peace of mind it will provide is priceless, but it will cost $17. You weren't expecting it to be free, right? Just kidding. Now, let's carry some electric energy around with the Anker PowerCore 2100 portable charger. Nothing sucks more than having a low battery and being far away from the power grid. That's why you need the Anker PowerCore 2100 mAh 100 mAh portable charger. With ultra high capacity, it charges an iPhone almost 7 times, a Galaxy S8 5 times, and an iPad mini 4 twice. Despite its power, it weighs just 12.5 ounces, making it a convenient travel companion. The PowerCore delivers high-speed charging with Power IQ and voltage boost technologies. Though it doesn't support Qualcomm Quick Charge, recharging the power bank takes about 10 hours with a 2-amp charger, or up to 20 hours with a phone charger. Moreover, Anker's multi-protect safety system and high-quality LG battery cells ensure complete protection for you and your devices. The portable charger costs $50 and includes a micro USB cable and a welcome guide, but a lightning cable for iPhone and iPad is sold separately. Capitalism on steroids. Introducing the 12 South AirFly Pro. While many headphone wearers have cut cords and opted for wireless earbuds or headphones, in-flight entertainment systems on planes are still largely wired. Not only are they wired, but they're only compatible with a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack. The good news is the AirFly Pro transmits audio from that jack to your wireless headphones via Bluetooth. With up to 20 hours of battery life, it keeps your wireless listening seamless on even the longest flights. No more fumbling with tangled cords or missing out on in-flight entertainment. Another must-have is the TravelRest Nest Ultimate Travel Pillow. The uniquely angled back on the TravelRest Ultimate sets it apart from other travel pillows on the market because it can lay flat against the seat back. Most other pillows have a round back which pushes your head away from the rest. The TravelRest also has rubber grip dots to prevent slipping while sleeping. This pillow's spongy memory foam cushions the entire circumference of your neck, preventing your head from leaning far in any direction. And its adjustable Velcro strap ensures it can fit most necks. The pillow's cozy velour exterior is removable and machine washable. Although it doesn't pack flat, the TravelRest weighs less than a pound and compresses to a quarter of its size when rolled into its Velcro strapped carrying case. Our only complaint is that the TravelRest high walls, though supportive, can push over-ear headphones off of the ears of people with shorter necks. Next is the Eufy SmartTrack Link. The Eufy Security SmartTrack Link is a small yet durable tracker that ensures you never lose track of your important belongings, such as keys, purses, or luggage. With its Bluetooth 5.0, the SmartTrack offers precise location tracking via the Find My app. Once located, you can activate an alert on the tracker to pinpoint its exact position. With a range of up to 240 feet, though walls and obstructions may reduce this distance, it provides reliable coverage. The tracker is a water-resistant IPX4 and powered by a long-lasting CR2032 battery. Its credit card size makes it perfect for fitting into the sleeves of wallets, purses, or other ID carriers. However, it doesn't include a keyring, so you'll need to attach one if necessary. You can get one for just $20. Is that a donut? No, it's the Mogix Super Bagel. The Super Bagel is a must-have for travelers needing versatile charging options. The innovative power strip features an extension cord, 2 USB sockets, and the compact MA1 travel adapter. Renowned for its small size and improved European standard pins, the MA1 adapter works in more countries without additional converters. Equipped with 4 universal sockets, 1 US socket, 5 on the donut version, and 2 fast-charging USB Type-A ports, 2A, the Power Bagel also includes a 90cm or 3 feet extension cord. The central MA1 adapter fits UK, EU, and AU sockets, while the Type-C port supports non-directional plugging and higher wattage without extra transformers. However, it's important to note the power limitations. With a 6.3A fuse, the Power Bagel's peak power is 630 watts at 100 volts or 1500 watts at 240 volts. Perfect for charging electronics, but not suitable for high-power devices like clothing irons. The price tag is $59. That pretty much sums it up. Which one of these gadgets are you adding to your shopping cart? Let us know in the comments and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.